Way over there.
No, it's okay. I think they're trying to get some. Let me get out of
I'm taking pictures, you taking pictures.
Yeah, that's all right. That's how we make it happen.
But stop at Rochelle.
Came up. Yeah, I saw the missus. She's right there.
Let's get all the food. Let's see this. Let's see this. Here's a half rack. Barbecue. No, this is a Dr. Pepper braised pork shank.
Look out.
Here's a brisket sandwich. Here's a lamb burger. Here's Henry. He copied me. Lamb burger. Filet mignon. Yes.
10:30, I think.
Where? Beverly. Downstairs?
Yeah.
You know when the girls
Say hi, Margaret.
Hello.
How you doing?
I am full.
How are you?
Just hunky-dory. Who are you talking to? You know, you can't.
Just
one step too far, and I could choke. See, that's who you are. You blowing the smoke. One word and too much, and we could all see.
I don't know what happened.
I texted her last night
Waiting for me?
at 8:30 and she said, I've been in bed since 7:30. I said, my God. She put her eye covers on.
Get in.
They're working on it. They're working on it.
Emery?
Kick the whip, baby.
Come on.
Excuse me, baby.
No, no, you good. Well, don't push it too hard.
Beverly's go.
It's my turn.
Yeah, in the corner.
Beverly's got it going on over there.
She cheating.
What? Okay, I'm done.
Say, my cards are so far away. I'm gonna say hi.
So nothing. It looks like you're through.
You should close your eyes if you want.